Real Debrid versus Premiumize.me. Which one is better? So if you're into streaming and want a smoother, high quality experiences, chance you've come across Real Debrid and Premiumize.me. But which one is better for you? Let's dive in. Let's start with Real Debrid. So this is one of the most popular options for improving streaming quality. It gives you access to high-speed premium links from over 50 file hosts. That means less buffering, high resolution, and faster load times when using apps like Kodi, Streamio, or Syncla. It's incredibly easy to set up and very affordable, starting at just a few euros for 15 days. It's perfect if you want a no-frills way to boost your streaming. However, that's pretty much all it offers. There's no cloud storage, no VPN, and it's mainly designed for use with a single household. Now let's go ahead and talk about Premiumize.me. Now, if you're looking for more than just better links, take a look at Premiumize.me. It goes way beyond streaming enhancements alongside support for a wide range of hosts, including torrents and even adult content. You also get 1 terabyte of cloud storage. That means you can download torrents directly to the cloud, then stream them privately from there, which is a great for privacy and convenience. Premiumize also includes a built-in VPN, Usenet access, and lets you use the service across multiple devices, even across different networks. It's a full all-in-one content access and privacy solution. And of course, with those extra comes a higher price. So Premiumize starts around €10 per month, whereas Real Debrid's most common plan is just €4 for 30 days. So it really comes down to what you need. So if your main goal is just better streaming, Real Debrid is fast, simple, and budget friendly. But if you want cloud storage, torrenting, and a VPN and more device flexibility, Premiumize gives you a lot more power under the hood. So which one should you pick? Choose Real Debrid if you focus on smooth playback and don't need the extras. But if you want to store content, stream securely, and use multiple features in an all-in-one service, Premiumize.me might be the better value in the long run. Either way, both will change how you stream forever once you go premium. You won't go back to public links again.